I don't understand how us doing this is good for business. So we're here today because Kevin keeps harassing me on Instagram and such, sending me videos of people doing crazy knife skills. I'm not really that good at these kinds of things.
Well, I send you the ones that are like really crazy. Like, I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know what we're gonna look at today, but I'm actually quite scared that we're not gonna do any of them well.
So now we're gonna look
like some of them are wild, right?
Oh,
some people do some
crazy.
wild stuff.
Although there's nothing too crazy on the counter right now. Start at the top. All right.
First go. Garlic. Oh,
garlic slicing skills.
No.
Is he doing that right in his hand? With a, is that with a butter knife though?
It is a butter knife, but
well, now he's just making a pizza.
But won't that just like mush? So he's kind of mushing it.
Yeah, we need to get back to the beginning again here.
Halfway between cutting and
the pizza looks good though.
Dude, I'd eat that pizza.
Yeah. Oh, he's okay. Here, get like.
See what he's doing.
I should have my glasses on. Yeah, he's just like scraping
like juicing it or something.
Yeah.
Well, it looks like it's getting sort of slices.
Yeah. Well, if that's
we can give that a go.
We'll give that a try.
Wait, we got one of these.
Give that a try.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Do you want to give that one a go, or shall I?
Well, I don't know if I can do it as fast as that guy did. But that was a butter knife, right?
It was a butter knife. Yeah. So
it's like the worst butter knife. No, well.
Do you suppose he had a garlic peeling butter knife?
Maybe it's like it is chipping.
That's kind of looks like what he was doing. Was
yeah. Oh, now I'm okay. I can't do it as quick as he. I don't think
faster. Speed it up. Just show the camera what you're doing.
Oh, I'm trying to.
You went too fast. You couldn't see it.
Yeah, that's it. You know, it's.
You know what? I always thought that garlic should be cut clean and stuff, and then I had. You know the ramen place at Hakata Station in Fukuoka?
Yep.
And they've got the garlic presses there. So you go and get this really fatty ramen, and then there's like a garlic press, and they just give you garlic. You just smush them.
You just smush it in.
I've never been into a garlic press, except it seems that it like got all the juice, like it kind of juiced it, and I don't know, it actually made the garlic taste really good.
Sometimes when I'm like cooking, like if I was just doing like a tomato sauce or something at home, I just like smash them with my hand, and then like they're just big chunks like that.
Such a brute.
I don't know. This is kind of.
I don't know. It makes your hands stinky too.
It is, yeah. Maybe with practice I'd be better, but kind of looking at what they're doing. Oh no! Look, there's a whole one. Fresh one for you, Kevin. You don't.
We're gonna stink like garlic tonight.
Yeah.
Well,
I guess if you
can't go fast like him, but I guess you can kind of.
Yeah.
You kind of chip away at it.
Yeah.
You can fling garlic around.
Yeah, you know what? But
then,
I like that.
That's fun.
But then looking at the pizza, like when the pizza comes out.
It's the flinging part. The pizza's the dude.
You know, so if that
pizza's the whole point.
If that technique gets you to that pizza, I'm into it.
I don't think that pizza I don't think garlic is what gets you there. It's that crust, man.
Yeah. I need some practice.
Yeah. Well, and let's go eat his pizza. Find out where he is.
I think he's in Tokyo.
Oh! I've always.
Wait a second.
Yeah.
I know that.
I've always wanted to do that.
I know that beard and those hands.
Oh, hold on. That's Nathan Garrow doing this. Hold on. It's a Knifewear video.
What's he doing?
I don't know. He's got a cucumber. I've got a cucumber before.
Yeah.
It was the shirt that made it.
It was the shirt that made. Yeah, maybe this one won't be good. Nathan has a shirt on. Yeah. This is what the other guy did, but the other guy had chopsticks on there, so he could. Nathan's maybe better than the other guy. He's got a fancy shirt on, and he doesn't have the chopstick crutch.
Well, he's got a shirt, so that makes it better.
Yeah, and an apron.
Oh, that's cool. I think you could do that with a potato, and then you can get all kinds of like seasoning and shit things in there.
Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So step one is like cut like most of the way through. Yeah, there you go.
Like this?
Yeah.
This counter's really high. I kind of like it.
You are good at this shit.
I own a knife store, dude.
Yeah, do you own a
When I was a chef,
accordion?
When I was a chef,
well?
I used to be very good at knife skills. I'm not so good at knife skills anymore. I'm gonna cut my finger. Nope.
So the next step is flip it over.
Flip it over, but then do it like on a bias. Like
yeah, then at a 45. Yeah. Holy shit.
This doesn't.
No, I think you got it.
I'm gonna cut my thumb off here.
Try not to. I know first aid though.
It'd be good if these were even slices though, huh? Put that in the comments. Say that Kent guy, man, his uneven. Ooh. Well.
You know what? For the first time ever.
That a human has ever done this.
Yeah.
It's kind of ugly. I gonna make a salad of this tonight because you get a lot
Yeah.
of stuff in there. You get like lots of sesame seeds in there and stuff.
Yeah.
Kevin.
And then you could just put it in a bowl for the kids, and they could just try to eat it with chopsticks. And all of a sudden, they picked up a whole cucumber, and they've stuffed it in their mouths already. Then they're like panicked. Tastes like garlic.
Going to the next one. Oh, this guy looks like he wants to take his shirt off. And
He did take his shirt off.
Oh, he would have at some point in his life, I'm sure.
Oh well, we can do this. Now,
that
what is
the-
he doing now?
Okay. Oh, okay.
What? Do I have to do it with Momosuke? Good luck. Here's
I
Kenzie's
have
next.
to do it.
I'd last one.
Yeah. I told them I don't like doing this stuff.
I know, but I like watching you do these things. Here, I'll do it together. Like that, right?
Yeah, and then he squared it off on either side. Oh, this
square it
nice.
off.
This knife is nice.
I like that. This one's not quite as sharp though. This one's a little bit heavy. Take that one all the way through. Hold on.
Yeah, I've had like all of mine go all the way.
Okay, here we go, Chris. This is.
Well, I've already fucked it up.
Watch this. Okay, here. This is what
I'm
you
not
do.
doing
You
anything.
cut it the right way, and then you cut forward, backward, and then you cut forward, Chris. Then you cut backward. Then you cut forward.
But to what?
Exactly. Not at all like what I just saw.
As a plus.
I don't even know.
But to
I've
what
done.
end?
But there's mine, Chris. Look at
Yeah,
that.
well, and here's my pile of attempts.
Yeah, well, you're good at wearing trucker hats. Go, Chris,
Okay.
go. No, not all the way. Oh, Chris.
You are so distracting.
Don't hit the cutting. Okay, go, Chris, go. Don't cut all the way
Ah.
through.
If I get hurt doing this, because I'm gonna headbutt you.
Not with that melon. I'll die.
Oh, fuck. This is a stupid game.
Just eat your mistakes. Oh, you're doing left-handed.
That's the problem.
That's the problem.
You know what? I see what has been accomplished. I'm not good at it. Therefore, this is a useless skill.
I think yours is better than mine.
I don't want to do that one anymore.
TikTok 2, Kevin and Lordy 0.
Okay, well,
Yeah.
maybe. A chair?
I might
What's this
be able to
cucumber
do this.
chair for? Who's sitting on a cucumber chair? I said Nathan Garrow thing. Nathan's like, Kevin, make me a chair to sit on under the cucumber. All right, make a chair.
All right, give me the
I didn't even-
Santoku this time.
This one was cut. You got to make the
Cut
back,
a
right?
chunk out of the. I
go
started
that
on the
way.
wrong side again.
And you got to go that way.
Oh, for God's sake!
And then look at that. See, nearly there. I suppose I could have done this
I
before.
don't think you're doing it right.
Well, I think that I am. Oh, but
Is the purpose that we're trying to make a cool, like, is it the chair that we're excited about, or is it the making of
how
the
do you get them
video?
out of there now? It's those tall guys that have the beards. Look at that. Look at. I got feet.
I can't see where I cut it.
Maybe we should wear glasses.
Do people actually watch these things?
I would.
Like a lot of people watch them
I wouldn't
do
watch
it.
you and I do this. But again, what are you doing with a cucumber chair?
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure I screwed my
It's like a chair for ants, man. You still got yours?
Yeah.
You're done?
I gave up.
Ta-da! Oh! Oh!
I don't like
No!
How about it? Big mouth? These are crazy, eh?
I can't go that fast.
No, that's not so, because like there's like that's someone's job. That's what they do. Full like that's like obviously you can see all the cases and whatnot in the background, right? The way they're doing it. Not only will I hurt myself, I'll probably break a knife.
Here, you better get out of the way.
Yeah, I'm out of the way. I don't
Okay,
want
you gotta go. I'm already behind. He's already done.
He was on the edge of the board too. Just stop it now. Just stop it.
Okay, don't do it like this. Be like a regular person that has 10 fingers, 5 on each hand. Look at that. Look at that. And his was rounder too. Mine's got all the. Is that cantaloupe? I like cantaloupe.
That was stressful all around.
That was terrifying. Here, I think this is the best way to cut up cantaloupe because they get a funny kind of shape and they're all more or less even. That's the worst. Does it taste like garlic?
Less than the last night.
So if I've seen this game before.
Do you see a radish?
It's a icon, like a big red radish with it. Ah! It's like some kind of sea creature. Then what do you do with it?
Just you show how fine you got it with using a needle.
Well, you can break it up.
You don't have tofu, do you?
Yep.
We're just wasting it anyways. We're not going to accomplish this.
We'll do a quarter then.
Yeah, there we go. You're just making everything harder for yourself.
Well, that first cut was shit.
You don't even have anyone pushing on your hand or shit talking you while you try.
Look at this, look at this. Is it happening? I think this is too soft. Did you get the extra mushy tofu? Poor workman blames his tools, but if you got a shit knife that Nathan's been rubbing on like the cement out there.
Yeah.
Oh, this isn't working?
No. It's because you didn't have the chef hat on.
Nailed it. You want to see? Want to see it? Want to see it in the bowl here? Nailed it. Nailed it. Watch this, Chris. Because it didn't look like much when you put it in.
No, no.
And then you put it in. There's no water in here, Nathan. Garrow.
I don't think that's
Look at
a
that.
problem.
Nailed it.
Yeah. Hey, look at us. We got these great knives and
we're
bad
shit.
attitudes. Okay, let's go to the next one here.
It's crap.
Yeah, just let's.
That was
it's all behind us.
ridiculous. Oh, I can't wait to see you do this.
Like, this isn't how I do anything.
Who cuts like that? Like, you're just like, how many times has that dude just cut all of his fingertips off?
Yeah, I just.
What knife would you like, Chris Lord?
I'm just gonna try to use.
Would you like this one?
Tofu. I just don't like it.
Well, don't do it left-handed. That's way harder.
But what's the like? Why towards me? And I don't understand what's going on. I didn't make food court sushi. Why the fuck would I know how to do this?
Nailed it. I don't know what he's doing. I think I could do it if I just didn't do his technique. Like,
Yeah,
I think
well,
if you
there's
did
another
something
half.
like... Jesus.
You do gotta
It's too
drag
big.
it through. Maybe that's why he's moving so fast. Like, you got it there, mostly.
See, and then you could just like...
Yeah.
Kind of... It's this overripe mango, obviously, Nathan. Look at that.
Avocado.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. That's what we're doing. That's the game. All right.
Do you know what? Our designer, mate.
You gonna do that part? You gotta do
The only part I can do.
the dance moves and the juggle.
Oh my god. Well, I can do that part.
But you see,
He's not even doing it well.
No,
Right? I can do that.
I don't.
I
like
can do
to,
it that well.
I don't like to cut like they make
Right?
me cut onions all the time. You cut the onion.
Well, you do it wrong.
Yeah, that comes up a lot.
There we go.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, you bastard. Oh.
Oh, my buddy.
Yeah.
Fuck, my buddy.
This is a setup.
Oh,
If there ever was.
oh, man, do you ever watch him sharpen a knife or use a steel?
I just did.
So good.
Right.
Nathan did this
Stand it
to
up.
make me uncomfortable.
And then hold it upright.
Yeah, hold it up, right?
Slice round. Try not to go too deep into the seeds.
Yeah, don't go too deep.
Okay, otherwise we get that white part of the pepper off.
Let's
That's
see.
what turns it bitter. So keep the seeds intact.
Oh my god, is he made of money?
Straighten up.
Peppers cost things, man.
Use the fork.
And then just throw away. Man.
Always
Yeah.
cut the pepper skin side down. Skin side up.
Don't have to do that if your knife
Make
is
sure
sharp.
those stripes are nice. And
Ah.
thin peppers like this, great for stir
A lot of
fries,
this
great for
information
salads.
is
From there,
accurate. Yeah,
upright,
what's he doing this time though?
down.
Why did he do it that first way?
Follow the pepper coming round.
No, he's doing it again. I thought.
So he's...
Center, keep it nice and
So
straight.
what's the yield on this pepper of his?
Seeds
Yeah.
Because he's throwing out so much
from there,
pepper.
Similar
Yeah.
to the
And then
julienne.
you have to put it skin side down because he's got a dull ass knife.
All the way
Yeah.
to the end,
Yeah, so he's just.
onto your board.
Yeah, he's julienning, he's dicing, he's. Yeah.
And this is what you want to do. Like, if you're going to cut a pepper, you want to make sure that your knife is sharp, first off. Just joking. It's sharp. And yeah, so like I've sharpened this knife recently.
Like I do, like step one is the same. The top and the bottom come off.
Yeah. Do you throw it all in the garbage now?
No, 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 that goes over there. Now he was doing like kind of like the melon before.
Yeah.
Right? But I think it's a lot easier and you do get much more out of it if you kind of, I cut it through the side.
Yeah.
You just pop it open and it kind of comes up out like you're, like a knife roll. Like,
Yeah.
you know, and that's, in
Look at that.
It's a bit
There's all your
faster.
seeds.
And then like,
And there's no like wasted pepper.
yeah, and like, you know, he's not wrong about the pith. Like, get that out of there.
Or not.
Oh, depends
Especially
on
the
what you're
green
eating.
pepper.
Yeah, it depends on what you're
Point of
doing.
green pepper is that they're bitter.
You know, so that's, and then you can cut it up however you want.
Does it
Little.
have to be skin side down?
No, you can do whatever you like.
Well, if your knife
I
is sharp.
actually find it a lot easier if your knife is sharp to do it skin side up.
Well, and I don't think it
then
matches it as much.
Yeah, it holds it, because if it's skin side down and your knife isn't sharp, like that's that's a classic accordion vegetable.
All right, to top it all off, we figured, Kevin, you could show us one of your crazy knife skills.
I don't have any crazy knife skills.
What is the pineapple sitting
Well, I
right
can
there?
cut a pineapple in a very standard way. But here, this is my Saskatchewan way to slice a pineapple. Is I just cut, like I know but you'll see some people that cut it so deep that they cut all of these, what I call the eyes out, right? So these little eyes. So some people have cut a pineapple so deep, or peel it so deeply that it cuts all those eyes out. But then I think you're just throwing away a lot of pineapple, and I'm cheap. But see, if I was that lady in Vietnam with her machete,
You'd be done by now.
I'd be done right now. I'd be collecting the money and then starting number 2 by now. Anyway, something like this, right? And then you get all those little eyes out, and you still got all this extra pineapple here, right?
Yeah.
And then you pop it into quarters.
There you go. You
You
did
make
it.
them all pretty like that.
Yeah.
And then you serve them their midnight buffet of fruit platter while they're playing polka songs. Then you load up your catering van, smoke legal marijuana, and go home. I don't know. How'd you feel about today, Chris?
There's a couple of neat things. A lot of stuff that's like, I don't see the value in it.
Yeah, right? Well, people pay money for these things, I guess.
It's
But
like a fever dream having to judge that.
it was really weird. There was a couple of things that were good because they weren't weird.
I think if you're watching these videos,
Wow.
a lot of what we just watched is really dangerous.
Actually, this is probably the best advice of the day.
Yeah, this stuff is really dangerous. You know, like some of it, like it's really impressive to watch, but just be aware that like any of the people doing these things, like they've done this like millions of times, right? Like that's all pure muscle. Like the guy with the avocado just flicking the knife through like towards his hand. That's nuts to me. I don't want to do that.
I would never do that.
You know, they were cutting the melon, peeling the melon. Super impressive, but there was also a garbage can full of peels. Like that was probably the 200th melon that day. So
Probably the 200 mil in that hour.
yeah, like just keep your fingers out of the way, slow it down. Don't
Listen
do
to
any of
Gordon
this.
Ramsay. He said, make sure that your
That part, yeah, that
thumb
was
is behind your fingers, like
Yeah,
that.
that
and
was
that your
good
knife
advice.
just goes along your knuckles.
Yep, that's good.
And if you
advice.
let your thumb slip out like that, you'll chop it right off.
You know what? A lot of this stuff is nonsense. Just be careful.